Hello friends, and welcome back on a new episode of Welcome Cheerful Education channel. So here in this video we are going to unbox this one and we shall discuss about its features, flight for one. So guys, let's get started. So guys, this one comes in a very good packaging, a standard packaging, and here we can hold this way, and this is the box of the helicopter, and we are now going to unbox this. So here, let's unbox. So here comes a box. Here at the upside of the box there's a charger, and now I'm going to open the box and look at what's inside the box. So after opening, I found a very small size but sweet remote control. This is the remote control, and now there is also a manual present here. So here it's our helicopter. Here, let's unbox this one. So here it's our helicopter, and now we are going to discuss about its feature. So friends, here I am going to discuss about the features of this helicopter. So here the helicopter has two wings, and both of the wings has two blades, and here, if I am not so much wrong, then it's the gyroscope that helps the helicopter to balance in the air. And here the helicopter is made of plastic, and the plastic quality is very much good. And here a propeller is present here, but the propeller doesn't works. And here it's actual emits light from the helicopter, and here it's the charging port. I think you can watch it on camera. It's the charging port, and it's the on off switch, and this one is the infrared ray sensor. And guys, the helicopter has a small size battery, and here when you are charging the helicopter, a light blinks. So the helicopter is very much cool. And now I'm going to tell you that why it's my most favorite one, because guys, you can totally re-upload the helicopter. Because guys, if you look here clearly, here a space is given, and here almost a space is given. Do you know that why it's given? Actually, if you want to run this propeller, then you will need a wire that will have to go from the engine to this part, and here you may also connect a motor, and here you can also connect a motor. For that, extra space is given. So in this way you can totally re-upload the helicopter, and these were all the features of this helicopter. So guys, here it's our remote control. The control is very small sized controller, and we can easily hold it in our hands. And guys, this one is the throttle stick. By taking it up, the helicopter goes up, and by taking it down, the helicopter comes down. And this one is the rudder. By taking it right, the helicopter goes to right, and by taking it left, the helicopter goes to left. And guys, these two buttons are the trim buttons, and it helps to trim the rotation of the helicopter. And this button is for controlling the light effect, and this is the on off button, and this is the portion from which it emits infrared ray. And here also a charging cable is present here. Let's open and take that out. So here our charging cable is present. When you are charging the helicopter with this green light blinks, and when you are turning the controller on, this red light blinks, and this button helps to control the frequency for the helicopter. And at the back side of the controller, here a portion comes where you will have to fill with 4 batteries for turning on the controller. So this is the portion. So these were all the features of our remote control. So guys, now it's our charger. This is a AC/DC adapter, and here a very small pin is given for charging the helicopter. And for your kind information, the charger can emit 3 types of light. When all the charges of the helicopter is used, then here the red light blinks, and when it's almost charged, then the yellow light blinks, and when it's fully charged, then the green light blinks. And whenever the charger is not connected with the helicopter, otherwise the helicopter is on, and at that moment it is connected with the charger, then the green light also blinks. So these were all the informations and the features of the helicopter set. Actually, the helicopter is very easy to use. Actually, I don't love 2-channel helicopter. The helicopter's plastic quality is quite good and very much strong, and here the blades are also strong, and the landing system is also good for the helicopter, and this part is also strong, and the rotation is quite good, and it's too sensitive for the controls. So this is all the reasons that why I love this helicopter very much, and is obviously for the features this is super awesome. So guys, I like the helicopter very much. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed, please hit a thumbs up here, like, comment, share and subscribe before leaving. And guys, please check out all the links in the description box, and guys, they all will be helpful. So guys, thanks for watching, have a nice day, and bye bye guys.
Storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left, and on we'll go, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on